Hello, everyone. Today I'd like to introduce our GAF 1500 series filling machine. Here is the operation control button box of our filling machine. This is the feeding interface connecting the customer's filling materials. This is the interface connecting the customer's compressed air. The regular use range of compressed air pressure is 0.5 to 0.7 MP. The air pipe used here is an 8 mm air pipe. Here's the interface of a nitrogen gas source filled with nitrogen, and an 8 mm gas pipe is also used. This is the interlocking control interface for controlling pneumatic valves. There are A and B, which can control two groups of ball valves, the air pipe of the ball valve. Blue and red is responsible for a group of ball valves. Hashtag the red gas pipe represents the initial position hash. Hashtag blue gas pipe represents the action position controlled by the ball valve hash. This is our electric control box. Here is the interface of our power supply. The power supply used is AC 100V 240 volts.